My name is Dean McGuinness from Premier International Beers. For the last 40 years, we've been bringing in specialty beers into Ireland and selling them. We have the new deposit return scheme starting up at the moment, and as a result of the deposit return scheme, out of 40 different canned products that we do, it looks like only one of them is going to survive and the other 39 are in danger of falling off the shelves. That's 2 jobs worth of beer, because the amount of money that we will be losing out of our business because of that is the equivalent of 2 jobs. All comes down to a really simple reason. This is the beer that's going to survive, and Return are insisting that this logo be on every can. Unfortunately, when we go to the breweries that we work with and ask them to put the logo on the can, because Ireland is such a small market, it's just not feasible to get them to do it. So all of the beers like this from Canada, Sweden, Holland are specialty beers where the logo just doesn't go on the can, and as a result they're likely to fall off the shelves and not be available to people anymore. One of the difficulties with this new scheme is that it has been set up really to suit the larger players in the market. We've got Guinness, Heineken and Coca-Cola behind Return, and unfortunately what they've done is they've had a look at how can they design a scheme to suit themselves but not suit other people. Now, for those companies, they bring in a relatively small amount of products and they're not really interested in there being a huge amount of choice in the market. As compared to that, people with companies like mine bring in approximately 650 products that are going to be casualties of this scheme if the requirement to have the logo on the can isn't changed. So what we're in danger of happening is having a situation where the amount of choice that we have on shelves for people who really like their beers being cut down to just a handful of mainstream beers, and all of the beers that are special, a little bit different, more craft, more speciality, are in danger of falling off the shelves, and the choice that we'll have will be much reduced.